What's good, YouTube? It's your girl, Nini Barcelini, back with another video. And today we have some steak nachos. I got jalapenos, sour cream, bacon bits, what's this? Green peppers, red peppers, the cheese. I'm hungry. I got the steak. The steak. Some tortillas. hmm Hungry. Y'all, make sure y'all follow me. Make sure y'all follow me, y'all. Oh, my pop. Mm. Make sure y'all subscribe to my channel now. The more y'all subscribe, the more y'all comment, the more y'all like, the more videos I put out. Hey y'all, let me know what y'all want to see me eat next. Let me know what y'all want me to see. What y'all want to see me eat next, y'all. It's too much sour cream. Okay, so y'all, we about to catch up on what's been going on Bigo. They said Savannah got into a fight.
Uh-oh. 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 Hold this camera. Excuse me, ma'am. Hold this camera. I'm gonna start you. I'm gonna start you. Can you hold this camera? No. Hold this camera. Hold
This
this camera.
good.
I got one minute. Cause I'm trying to hold this camera. No. Hold on. Hold on.
Steak, it's all at the bottom.
Get back. Let me walk in. Hold the camera. Hold the camera. What you want? What's that? What's that?
With some sweet jalapenos. Good.
She threw your luggage out. And I'm gonna run you out of bed. Hold on. Let me go back. Hold the camera. Let me go back. Hold the camera. What you want?
Oh, they fighting. They always fighting. ooh, ooh, ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh, the girls was twirling. Mm-mm-mm. What else happened?
Bitch. You're making yourself mad by looking me up. You have to stroke your ego by lying said I molested kids. Or told somebody to molest their kids to make yourself feel good. There go Nicole right there. Nicole, I told them, I'm glad you got a new bitch. Congratulations to y'all. I don't give a fuck. They can go over there with you and your ex and sit on the panel with y'all and enjoy and talk about me and do whatever they want. I'm moving on, bitch. You didn't know? Noni is a miserable bitch. Okay?
Follow me on
Fuck
Bigo
no.
too. If you want to follow me on Bigo,
Bitch, I bet you talk about your
put it
fat
in the
white
comments.
mama, you a cry bitch.
If you want to
If you talk
learn
about
how to
fake
make some
bitch,
money on
all over the
Bigo,
bitch,
put
you
it
a
in
cry.
comments or email me.
Wait. All the way home, bitch. Yeah, she jealous of me. Because look at me. I got more than her. These are facts. You say you's a big time dope dealer. What you got to show for nothing? In your daddy house, hanging up motherfucking LED lights, you fat bitch. And I said what I said. Go write Frenchie on Facebook. Congratulate him, his baby, his girlfriend. Go write Nicole and Gina. Go over there and enjoy their lives and watch them bitches plan their trips and do whatever they do. And line together and go to sleep together, do whatever they do on FaceTime. I don't care. Go watch Cameron and his wife at the motherfucking cookie shop, bitch, on East Mount Houston. Bitch, go. Go find Cyrus, Ashara's daddy, and Myra, bitch. Go find motherfucking Brandon Angel, who y'all said is a sex offender, but I can't find him on the sex database. And Aisha. Go find them. Everybody on We Got Somebody, bitch. Find them. Find them. Hold on 1 second. I'm putting them on.
Ooh. Ooh. That probably keep me going.
DJ, spin that shit, DJ.
I got Sunkissed Strawberry this time.
No, I don't, bitch.
How was y'all day?
Review Jackie for nothing. Because the address Jackie gave out wrong and the one I'm giving out is right. Now get on Google and do your thing, bitch. Fuck you mean, hoe. I don't know who you think you blackmailing, you scared, bitch. But sure, I want to play with my address, hoe. Because guess what, bitch? I live by myself. You live with your daddy, bitch. You got a lot of people to jeopardize in your house. I ain't got nobody to jeopardize but my motherfucking kids. And trust me, bitch, we rolling 10 toes deep. Whether it's the courthouse, a street fight, or whatever you want to send this way, bitch, CPS, whatever you want to send, you fat black bitch. You always doing motherfucking stuff, Mrs. like somebody scared of you, bitch.
Huh.
Still staying with her daddy, damn near 50 years old, driving a motherfucking El Camino, you broke bitch. You's a jealous for that hoe.
Oh.
Hey, Abby, bitch, bitch, you the last one to talk about somebody jealous, bitch. You got your teeth fixed because they drug the fuck out of you. Bitch, you trying to get your body done, bitch, because of what? Bitch, you put down 500. We know how much your surgery gonna be. Good 3,500. Good 3,500 motherfucking surgery, bitch. Good 3,500 ass surgery. Good 3,500 ass surgery. You put down 500, bitch. I can't take you serious, bitch. Are you going back to Mexico with that cheap ass down payment, bitch? I'm not jealous of no bitch that walk God's green earth. Let me tell you something, hoe.
stepmother was born fat. No shame. I was born a bad bitch. I was a bad bitch always, bitch. Y'all hoes was born bad built, bitch. Fuck you mean I'm jealous? What the fuck I'm gonna be jealous of something that I naturally had? You always gotta pay for it, bitch. I had it, bitch. Down to pieces, bitch. You got dogs, bitch. You can't use them motherfuckers to walk to the park and lose fucking weight, bitch. Bitch, you got everything you need, bitch. You don't know what to do with it. You just sitting there letting your kids go to waste. You letting your man go to waste. You letting your house go to waste. And your car already a fucking dump, bitch. And you miserable. All you do, bitch, is sit there. Cases and Ashley.
Oh, I love her.
Yeah, Barack Obama got shot. Keepers and Ashley. That man got shot. They got Keepers and Ashley name all over it. They mad because I'm pretty. It was just a wreck. Oh, that got Ashley name all over it. Her and Bubba. What see we got? And then, bitch, another thing, when you got nails, you try to use your end finger, bitch. You just like to hear yourself tap, trying to be like low. It don't take all that. You are a woman, bitch. You not a man trying to be a woman. Why are you pressing your nails down on your iPad, bitch? You are damaging your nails doing that, hoe.
No.
Press like this, bitch. You don't have to do all that. Let me see. This how lame this hoe is. How long, y'all? We got to see how long. Wait. Look at Baby Shark. Look at Baby Shark's face. Look at the shade. Look at the shade. Look at Baby Shark. Baby Shark was in the back of the bus scared. Look at Baby Shark. Out of all them seats, she all the way at the bed. Look at Baby Shark. Scared. Just scary. I'm fine. Josh, your woman fine. I'm a pretty bitch. Yes, I'm a pretty bitch. Wait a minute, y'all heard that? I only come around because the niggas were hitting, I still fuck. Girl, she talking about cases. Let me replay these. This guy keep his name all over it. This keeper. Who he trying to make mad?
Ass the fuck up. Real.
first assembly of photographs to create a motion picture was a 2-second clip of...
Oh yeah, it's the motherfucker, young nigga from Shaka House, nigga. You ain't had a motherfucking money. Nah, that's why you ain't motherfucking show. So we told the show, this shit we can't stop now, man. We can't stop. It ain't my fault. I told you what the motherfucking ain't my fault. We don't ain't my fault. Shopping, you motherfucker. We can't stop now, man. We can't stop. Ain't my fault. We can't stop. But we can stop the show. They did what?
All these nachos done turned soft. Like they pitas or something now. They're soft.
Charlie got the goddamn restriction on. Block pastor so he can't keep reporting pastor so he can't light up our founder. Keep reporting pastor. Keep reporting pastor. Keep reporting pastor. Keep him off the app. I said a whole bunch of bread, nigga, a whole bunch of paper. Middle finger up, screaming
Motherfucking haters.
Whole bunch of bread, nigga, whole bunch of paper.
Middle finger up to my motherfucking haters.
The P, the P, the P, and the P, the P, the P. The one you wanna be is the P, the P.
With Nene Bartolini.
When I'm gone, I promise ain't no one after me. I'm the best that ever do it, bitch. Call me the GOAT. If you fucking with the kid, best believe you get choked. I don't even need a rope to fucking hang these niggas. Throwing up my set, coming through, I bang on niggas. Ayo, Charlie. Go ahead and report my page, cause when I get yours, it's gonna be gone for 7 days. I put the hit in and I'm paying that paper. I'ma take your whole page till you call me a player. Told him hit this nigga up on the Egyptian side and make sure them VIP points don't fucking ride. When I take your whole page, then I take your whole page. Just believe that a nigga in real life is getting paid. I'm getting paid, my nigga, by the second. And every time I get on the live, you talking reckless. You don't really want it from here. I go to Texas and I've been taking flights. My nigga, you can't catch this. Yeah, I've been all over the globe. Then you took one trip and your pockets is out of control. You gotta gift yourself from your foo-foo page. Swear to God, you eating the apple and you really getting paid. No, nigga, I'm the man and they really get played. Bring them to the fucking crib and they really get laid. Now I ain't never been a hater cause that ain't up in my blood. And if I hang with the Crips, then I hang with the Bloods. Ain't no gang banging here. I'm just maintaining here. I don't drink on none of that pissy ass beer. I'm a cognac sipping ass nigga for sure. Every time you see me, my nigga, just hit the red light and the yellow pump your brakes cause it's little too late. I already cut your fate. Your page will be gone in a day or two. Shit, now who gon' hate on you? You be coming for the hoe, that's all good. But you don't come for the niggas, that's all hood. And I'm telling you now that I'm out your ass, and this gon' take more for your page than the VIP pass. Yeah, I'm a nigga from the glass, and I'm sitting back looking at you, all I can do is laugh. You don't even know what you got into. But your page getting took is on the menu. I said your page getting took is on the menu. Then tell me how you gon' pay for the next venue. You broke as fuck if it wasn't for apps. You ain't never hit the block and you ain't never sold crack. I done cooked it, cut it, sold it, controlled it. Went to jail, came back home like I owned it. And I ain't really worried about a damn thing, cause every time I wake up, I make sure my nuts hang. Now what the fuck you play besides another nigga dick? And where would you be without another nigga shit? Probably on your ass nigga trying to get in, and you tell you what your head is so big you don't fit in. Your head real big and your body real little. Your feet big as fuck, what happened to your middle? Yeah, these bars, they ain't no riddles. And I'ma play your ass like Hoop and Kerry Kittles. Take another sip of this shit that I'm drinking. All dark when I put it in, what was you thinking? I'ma have your ass cooked like a pig in a blanket. Bitch.
Ooh.
You said the same shit today that you said yesterday.
Yeah, I'm getting full, y'all. Yeah,
They said you went to the police and shit. They said you called my probation officer and shit. Like I won't go piss in that cup. Stupid. One hand on the wheel, one hand on my hookah. Can't smoke weed, so I guess I'm a shooter. Your head bigger than your goddamn body. Your head bigger than your goddamn body. Your head bigger than your goddamn body. And I'll wax on, wax off like Mr. Miyagi. I said, your head bigger than your goddamn body. Your head bigger than your goddamn body. I'll wax on, wax off like Mr. Miyagi. And I ain't never been to classes for no karate. I'll put these hands on you like a motherfucking car. And then have you drunk like a motherfucking bar. Look up in the clouds, what you see, that's a star. It's motherfucking Pastor P, I'm going far. You better be lucky I'm giving you attention, because after this, your ass gonna be on detention. I'ma have your ass sitting in the corner crying. Talking about, bitch, I know you fucking lying. I'ma have you in the corner swearing he crying like, bitch, I know you motherfucking lying. You can't log in cause your page is took. You can't log in cause your page is took. And I'm doing shows like a nigga already got booked and I done did my time, so I ain't no crook. He said he called my PO and told her some shit. She hit me up like, who the fuck is this bitch? I said, I don't know, but I ain't commit no crimes. You gotta go to the police if you want me to do time, because my PO is not allowed to put me in jail. She is not allowed to stop my mail. And when I come to Atlanta, I'm coming with my bail. And when I hit you in your shit, you go fucking yell. I already got my nigga Snappy Wappy looking for your address. You don't even know what the fuck we about to progress. The beef done went there and you can't
you
take
looking for your address. You better watch out, Charlie.
So nigga be silent. With Pastor P in the house,
Nigga be quiet.
You could never get the throne. You can't hit 3 milli with helper on your own.
Whew. Yeah, I'm about to get ready to go. It's been real. Y'all be cool. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know if y'all want to follow me on Bigo. I do go live every day on Bigo. All right, I love y'all. I'll catch y'all later.
How you call a nigga gay when you LG? BT, nigga, I don't understand thee. Plot behind all the shit that you spittin', cuz. And if it wasn't recited, then it was written, cuz. Shit. I'm going to the mall. I'm finna buy some more glasses, cause I can ball. And then I'm taking them across the street to get the lenses. Then I might go to the lot and cop a Benz, bitch. See the paper real long, cause I don't depend on apps. Cause my phone ringing every day, I got the snaps. Yeah, plus I got the scale, nigga. I said, plus I got the scale, nigga. So I'm still cooking up and fucking cutting. And you don't want to be the first nigga to push my button.
I'll catch y'all later.
Better start asking for something. Cause when I come through, nigga,